home screen glows with a picture of a perfectly styled outfit that seems to call your name. It looks expensive. It looks high-end. The price tag says $54, but there is a massive banner screaming 65% off just for today. You feel that sudden rush of adrenaline. You want to click buy before the clock runs out. But something should stop you. It is that tiny voice in the back of your head. That voice is usually right. We see these boutique sites everywhere lately. They are all over your social media feeds. They show up. They run a massive wave of ads. Then they vanish. This specific shop has every hallmark of a classic digital storefront. It looks professional on the surface. The photos are crisp and clear. The layout is clean and modern. However, if you try to find a history for this brand, you hit a solid brick wall. There are no long-term customers talking about their favorite pieces from 3 years ago. There is no real face behind the name. It feels like a ghost ship. It is a pretty facade floating in the digital void. I decided to do some serious digging into their actual catalog. What I found was honestly a bit of a joke. One of their most popular items is sitting on a massive wholesale site for only $13. 13. That means this boutique is marking it up by nearly 400% while pretending to give you a massive discount. That big sale banner is a total illusion. It is designed to make you feel like you are winning a prize. In reality, you are paying a premium for a middleman who might not even have the item in a local warehouse. This is the world of dropshipping at its most aggressive level. You are not just paying for the clothes, you are paying for their massive advertising budget. If you decide to pull the trigger on an order, you have to be ready for the consequences. Shipping could take weeks or even months. The fabric might feel like thin paper when it finally arrives. If you want a refund, good luck finding a human to talk to. Most of these shops rely on you just giving up. They make the return process so difficult that you eventually just toss the cheap shirt in the back of your closet and move on with your life. It is a gamble with your hard-earned money. You have to ask yourself if the risk is worth the reward. Most of the time the answer is a hard no. You deserve better than a marked-up mystery box. Stick to places with a real reputation and a history you can actually track. Do not let a shiny ad take your cash. This site gives off the same vibe as those shops that pop up for a month and then disappear forever. If you buy from them, you are essentially on your own. It is not a complete scam in the sense that you might get a package, but it is certainly not the boutique experience they are promising you in those polished ads. Save your money for a brand that actually stands behind its products. Stay sharp and keep your eyes open for these red flags.